Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about the grid. That's exactly what you heard. What is the grid? What is a grid? A grid is a bunch of lines intersecting each other, forming squares, correct? So, kind of like the Cartesian coordinate system, where you have x and y's, right? And you can determine a position in the graph if you know the value of x and you know the value of y. But one implication of the grid is the fact that all the lines if you think of the grid with those lines and those intersections as roads on a map of a city, then you can travel from one part of the city to the other by using the roads in the grid, correct? So then, this brings to mind that the grid shows interconnectedness, which means the points in the grid are all connected. So you can travel from one value of x and one value of y to another value of x and to another value of y, right? Now what is the internet? The World Wide Web, correct? It's something similar to a grid in which we're all connected to each other through air, through the internet. What does that mean? Let's say, for example, I want to communicate with someone in Japan or someone in Russia. I can always call that person, or that person can be in China or anywhere in the world. And at the speed of light, I'm able to communicate with just about anybody in the world. It's so easy now to make videos online, and the internet shows how connected technology has made each one of us to become. So this is what I call the grid. It's like the world, the universe, and space is a grid in which we're all connected. Not only technologically, but also naturally, because quantum physics states that a change in the spin of an electron here on Earth automatically changes the spin of electron in the furthest regions of space. So this interconnectedness, the fact that we're all connected, we're all linked, nothing is in isolation. Well, for example, a butterfly flapping its wings in Amazon will immediately make a change that will over time add up to the point where the history and the story changes of the world. Had that butterfly flapped its wings a little different, or had that butterfly had south instead of north, the entire scheme of things would have been different. This is because a small difference added over time can lead to huge differences, such as 2, 4, 8, 16, and so forth. So a small difference, small changes lead to big changes in the future. We're all connected at the speed of light. If I want to call somebody in Europe or anywhere in the world, we're all connected and we're all able to do that. Technology, because technology is playing with the natural world, we're able through technology to reinforce the concept that there's already a part of nature, which is the fact that we're all connected, we're all in a grid. We're all intersections of a grid, and we're all members of one body. We're members of the world, the universe. And this is what I call globalization.